Alright, so this is how to install this gutter with we've got a timber fascia, so we've already put our fascia cover on. It sits nicely. We've screwed off every 500 like we pre-drilled. But now we're going to put these clips on. So what we do with these clips, because we've already got our 500s, we go every 1500. Get that, we sit that like that. We just tap it with the hammer. That'll stay there for us. Then get a button head screw. Okay. Get a button head screw. It's important that we use button heads on all of this because they sit it a lot nicer than the other screws. We then grab our gutter like this. Alright, this is a two-man job. Go to you a bit. Stop. So I've got a 10 mil on my 10 mil inch on my corner. We just going to click, click, click. Alright, so we've now got our gutter to click in. Then sit our level like this. Come here, Jess. So what we're chasing, if you just look at that level, is we're chasing pretty much this bubble to just before it touches that line. So it's got good fall right now. It's about 1 in 100. We just slide along in between our clips. Just make sure we've got that line. So that can just come up one click. And we're good there. Slide to the next one. Okay, we don't have enough fall, so click up, one more. Okay, now we've got enough fall. It's just before it touches this line. And this is our downhill. So it's just before it touches the line on the uphill side. Alright, once you've done that, break off one of these overstraps. These overstraps go directly in between, in the middle of these other clips. So I can't remember what they're called. They're just clips to me. But we then get these. I'm going to try my luck here. I don't know if I'm going to get through it, but and that's it. That's the stiffener. We've also only peeled the plastic off the back of the gutter, so the gutter's still got its plastic on it right now. We'll remove it later on when all the hands have stopped touching it. So when we remove the plastic, there's no fingerprints and handprints from your dirty hands, because this is a second-hand house. It's not brand new, but you should never remove this plastic until you're finished with the gutter. All right, thanks guys.